case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1994 case in the United States Bankruptcy Court for the District of Massachusetts, the court focused on whether claims could be considered less important than others in bankruptcy cases based on the type of claim, without requiring creditor misconduct. The case involved the Shaine Foundation filing an unsecured claim on a promissory note for the purchase of its own stock by SPM Manufacturing Corporation. The official Unsecured Creditors Committee objected, arguing that the claim should be subordinated under principles of equitable subordination since the corporation had gone bankrupt. The court found in favor of subordinating the claim, rejecting the argument to follow state insolvency laws instead of Section 510(c) of the Bankruptcy Code, and emphasizing the need for uniform bankruptcy laws in the U.S.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class